The starting point, even the name Brink, came from the idea that people are wanting a little bit more stability and clarity and longevity. So it's a neoclassical return to something a little bit safer. Tropical is about being exuberant, having fun, and also appreciation for the earth.
I specialise in embroidery. Recently we've been having big group tutorials where we mix both of the trends and we kind of all sit around, give each other feedback on our own work, and then Malein brings her experience and her knowledge of embroidery, and she has a background in constructed textiles, so that's quite good, and how she kind of intertwines both of them.
It's a wonderful project because it manages to be very relevant for all our design pathways, and it allows them to move the project forward in a very specific specialist way, but also in that cross-referencing design way. So it's a brilliant experience for them.
When Hannah from Global Colour comes to BCU, she's like our client, and that's who we need to make our work relevant for. It's really helpful when she brings in what they've been looking at in the company to keep you on track rather than going off on a completely different tangent.
Since graduating, I kind of do realise how much at BC you are kind of pushed to explore things in your own way, which I think is really fantastic, through paper, through materials, through kind of plastics. Sometimes I'm desperate to do it myself, but I just think, to see something from a Global Colour perspective, that I work so much and intently on putting this trend story together, myself as a previous textile designer, how I'd respond to it, and then being constantly surprised by different ways that the students come at it, and that's always actually really satisfying.
I was selected to go to New Designers. There was 2 people that came around, they started talking to me. They were saying, they do window displays. I didn't realise at the time they were from Harvey Nichols. Met up with them and they looked through my portfolio. I took some of my trends projects with me. I didn't just take my final major project. And they were like, yeah, I like this, I don't like this, I think this will work. Birmingham City University has got me where I am today, so it's definitely the right choice.